So guys, a little different video for you today. This is my trusty or daily driver washing machine. But as it is right now, it doesn't work because, well, it totally cut the power one day after I had just finished washing my work clothes and well, trying to figure out what's the problem. And this is a new one, new heating element. So the heating element in this machine died after about four or 5 years of use. It's being used uh, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week, I think. Sometimes more per day, but sometimes most of the times not that much. Anyway, I put this back on so I know where it should go. Pretty basic. I can't crawl. How the fuck? Excuse me. Wait a second. Disconnected. I'm gonna get some tool. Sorry for the noise. That I have here. Undo this. I had this out once to check it. It was caked in and kind of like, I guess that's the reason why it died, because it was full of this, what do you call it, kind of like gunk from detergent pots and oh, ow. Anyway, try to film this. You can see it's very caked in. Delicious, huh? And you can see there's kind of like burn marks on it, so that's presumably where it died. Anyway, it's dry in here now, but it's dirty. I didn't want to have dried it out, cleaned it out a little bit before I get, oh, excuse me for the camera angle. Yeah. Anyway, just like this. I cleaned it last time I had it out. I just put it back in to, not have any dirt getting in or just to know how it should sit. I get the new element, which is this one. This is not original element. It's just, excuse me. It's a cheaper one, but it's kind of like the same element because gotta get some light. So put it in right. Oh my god, the space behind here is so shitty. I have to vacuum the floor because it was kind of, there we go, kind of dirty. Oops, just getting you around the hose. Let's see. Okay, good. There is nothing to see on the camera, but I can barely see in there as the spring. There we go. Perfect. This fits a lot easier than the old one because the seal isn't used, but that could be, that's easy thing to fit it right now, as it is. Let's see how it works. Oh. Should have used my GoPro. Anyway, I've gotten a new phone. I'm gonna try to see how well that works. Much better. Okay. So just gonna, oh, excuse me. Connect these things. That fits. That's a good thing. I mean, quite honestly, I was a little concerned. This had a lock that like doesn't work anymore. I guess it will stay on. It shouldn't be bouncing up. It's small, isn't it? Okay. So now this should be working. There's so little space in here. Now I'm actually just gonna move the machine forward back for like 2 seconds. So the floor is a little uneven, so it's kind of hard to see. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna go down and turn on the power, and because right now we have power, but I just unplugged the thing. I can't remember what it's called, I guess now. But there's no power to this one. So anyway, so I'll just hook up some power to this one, and then we will see if it cuts the power or if it works. So just 2 seconds. Okay guys, as you can see it says error 41 because I had to open the door pulling down that cable. Now actually should be locking, but I'm just gonna turn it off. Just close it, and there you go. Do a test. Door lock. It's unlocked because it was locked. So test. Main wash, and then fabric softener. See that? What we want to do is actually test the heating element. Actually, you can do that one way. Turn it off and then turn it on again. It will start ELE, which is a test program. Now we can hear the clicking and all that stuff, but it seems to be working. Just give me a little spin here for us. So, much better, isn't it? Oh wait, actually try something different here. I have a light on the phone now that I can turn on when I'm using the camera. I couldn't do that on my old phone for some reason. So right now it does, and it doesn't cut the power, so I guess we are yeah, I guess we're doing something right here. Anyway, now you can see this from the back. I've never seen it from the back working, because didn't have to take it apart. Actually, I should have done a leak test, but not sure what it's doing right now. Can I take water in, or just doing? Take a look down here. Let's see. Have any leaks? Oh, don't touch that while it's spinning. Shouldn't have any leaks I can see. It's bone dry. So this box. And there is water inside, so I should have done the leak test. I just do the leak test. Oh, if I can get out of here again. Excuse me. It doesn't seem to be doing anything right now. Oh. There we go. not that one. We're testing the heating element, I guess. Here, probably. This should be the leak test, I think. Let's just wait. Maybe. There you go. Now we could go for a fast spin. Or is it heating? I'm not sure. I can't really remember how this program works. It's counting down now. For some reason. It's not the one. 08. There it is. Yeah. Tell me if there's something leaking. There we go. Now we're doing a little test. If it is leaking, it should be coming water out here or somewhere. But it's bone dry, so that's a good sign. Yep. You know what's nice about these machine? That there's only dirt here from this. Again, I lost the name for it in English. I know what it's called in Danish. Anyway, this is clean. So that's just one thing I want to do. But it doesn't cut the power. Before it cut the power when it was just turned on. So I guess we're good. Water. Anyway, so yeah. Not sure what happened there. Anyway, I was fixing a lot of machines, and I'm actually selling some machines now that I fixed up. Uh, Ironically, now I need to fix my daily drive. Anyway, so that's kind of, yeah. But again, now it's working, so I can get started washing some clothes again. So I will do that now. So thank you for watching, and see you next one.